And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
Welcome back, Triple B Squad. Man, I'm still doing this hot madness. And you know who likes to say madness? That is More Eats, her and Agnes. But look, we're doing a challenge and a milestone challenge for Vern Bang, and it was collabed with More Eats. It was How Hot Can You Cluck It Chicken Challenge. All right, this is a chicken sandwich challenge. All right, so just by this, basically how hot can you with it? You know what I'm saying? So look, I came up with the hottest chicken sandwich that I've ever made, and the hottest chicken sandwich I've ever ate. That I don't know, it might not be, but it might be, because it is really hot. I took a whole bunch of hot stuff to put in here. But before we get to that though, I need y'all to do something for me.
What's that?
I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up. I need you to comment below, baby. And I also need you to share it out. Share it out. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's pray. Amen. So look, guys, like I said, I came up with the hottest chicken sandwich that I could make. It has everything on it that would possibly make this chicken sandwich the hottest chicken sandwich I ever ate. And better yet, why don't I just show you how I made it? We're going to take a quick moment, more than 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you what's all in this chicken sandwich, baby. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to give you another close-up of that chicken sandwich there. It's a little dark as you saw the stuff that goes on it. Then I even had the nerve because I know that Burn Bang loves that Lips hot sauce. So I made sure, and I love it too, so I made sure I put the extra hot on top of everything. You saw it all over it. And that's just to add that extra spice that didn't get cooked in with the chicken sandwich. So look, like I said, this whole week it seemed like I've been doing stuff to test my heat level. So why not find another thing that was extremely hot? So I need to still take a thumbnail for this chicken sandwich. Hopefully it stays together. Don't mind me. Okay. So, like I said, these are those little buns that I had the other day. But man, look at that chicken sandwich. So look, I'm gonna take this first bite. This probably won't be a long video. I just gotta, I just knew I was ready to do this. I'm kind of nervous, guys. Let's cheer me on, though. Can you? How hot can you cluck it? Is the question. So, if you see this and you want to just be creative and make a hot chicken sandwich, go for it. But I'm gonna quit stalling. Oh yeah. It's definitely hot. Upside down. I can feel the sweat already coming down. Sometimes when you cook stuff in, it loses its heat. This didn't lose any heat because I literally can taste all the hot sauces individually. Right? I know my Beware 5 toast, common toast. The scorpion's there. The extra lips on the outside is even. But it's dark. Because how much hot sauce was on there. Wow. Wish I had a better bun that it wasn't falling apart. I just want no bun. I had my Lips hot sauce on it. Oh. Okay. I'm over here trying to eat up all the lettuce. And some rice before I go into another bite. Because that's the only thing that's keeping it cool. So if you don't know who Burn Bang is or More Eats, their links will be in the description box below. And you can run over there and check them out. Oh man. So if y'all remember when me and Miss Shan ate those hot sauce, we had the La Bombe. And we ate that Dave's. Ooh. That Dave's Insanity sauce. It had that same sting as the scorpion where it kicks in later. Let's eat that big old piece hanging off. This is hot, guys. Like I said, this is my attempt to have hot challenges all week. And then I'll take a break on hot challenges, and Miss Shan will definitely be back in some videos. I just decided just to shoot a couple. Yeah, all you heat junkies, I like to test your heat. TNB Nation, I remember a long time ago you said you like to try to test your heat level. Try to outdo this hot chicken sandwich. Ooh. Who else said they like hot sauce? Ooh, whoever, just do it. Support Burn Bang. You guys see the sweat is real. It's not no game. I don't want to drink no water because water always seems to make it worse. It's like my sweat be having that sauce in it because that sweat be coming out burning my eyeballs. Ooh. Alright. let's just hear it. This video is all about finishing this chicken sandwich, y'all. I can do that. I'm being brave, y'all. I'm doing real brave because this is really hot. I'm gonna say it's up there with some of the hottest chicken I ate. But y'all see that sweat. Ooh. Well, guys, I was able to take down the chicken sandwich. Like I said, this video was just about support of Burn Bang and more eats, and to see if I really could make a truly hot chicken sandwich. Y'all remember, if you looked in the video, you notice I had jalapeno chunks that was actually in the flour mixture that marinated in the refrigerator. So it definitely had jalapeno chunks on the outside of the chicken sandwich. But yeah, guys, it's all about the burn. Okay, that's enough. I talked on enough. I know y'all's probably hoping for that reaction of just straight going crazy, but I swear this week, my tolerance is getting a little bit better, but that was a hot chicken sandwich. Would I eat it again? Yes. All the hot sauces came together and made a great flavor. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna need you to do something for me.
What's that?
I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up. I need y'all to comment below, baby. And make sure you share it out. Share it out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. The more I talk, the more I blow, the hotter it gets on my tongue. I think it's one of the ones I'm going to pay for off camera more than I did on camera. Definitely go support Burn Bang and more eats. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'm Big Belly Bob. Peace.